Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Safari when it's not working properly on your Mac. So if Safari is not loading websites, showing a blank page, freezing, or getting stuck with a loading bar, this quick method can help fix the problem. We're going to clear Safari's cache and then reopen it the right way. First, open Safari on your Mac. Once Safari is open, go to the top menu bar and click on Safari. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open the Safari Settings window. Now go to the Advanced tab at the top. At the bottom of this page, you'll see an option that says Show Features for Web Developers or Show Develop Menu in Menu Bar, depending on your Mac OS version. Go ahead and turn that option on. Once you do that, look at the top menu bar again. You should now see a new option called Develop. Click on Develop. From the menu, look for Empty Caches, then click on it. This will clear Safari's cache, which can help remove temporary files that may be causing websites to load incorrectly. After that, completely quit Safari. To do this, click Safari in the top menu bar, then select Quit Safari. You can also press Command+Q on your keyboard. Now here's the important step. When you reopen Safari, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while launching it. This helps Safari open with a fresh session and can stop old tabs or broken pages from loading again. Once Safari opens, try visiting the website again and check if the issue is fixed. In most cases, this method should solve problems like blank pages, slow loading, frozen tabs, or websites not opening properly. And that's it. This is a simple way to fix Safari when it's not working on your Mac. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more MacBook tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.